Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can block artists on Spotify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be on Spotify, you just want to simply click on whatever artist I'm going to find, like Alpha H. And what you want to do is go to the right top corner to the three dots next to the follow, and right here, don't play this. Or we won't play this again. And this is how you can block artists on Spotify on mobile. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.